Alright, here we have a current detecting circuit, which is just made up of 5 NPN transistors and a 5-stage dial-in and pair. We have an LED with a current limiting resistor and a speaker on the load end, and we have our antenna here, which will connect various antenna to see how effective it is at detecting the current going through these wires here. So first off, I try just doing a long length of wire parallel to the conductor, which seems to be pretty effective. And a shorter length, and a long length, pretty good. And so if we try swapping out for other things like a paper clip here, it kind of works, but not enough to trigger the turn on of the first transistor. Similarly with small coil here, this is just hand wound. It's a little bit better, but just not. And get it close up here to the connector. It is just barely enough. And we also have this spiral shape, which seems to be most effective out of the bunch. Maybe. Okay, no, it's not the best. There we go. So it's a little finicky as well. But if we take a look at the waveform on the output here, this is the most interesting part. Go ahead and get adjusted here. There we go. So channel 2, the green, is going to be our antenna input to the base of the first transistor, and channel 2, yellow, is the load or the speaker at the end. And so if I just do the straight length of wire, you can see as it gets closer, amplitude increases, and eventually it's enough to turn on. And as we increase the signal on the input, it seems to increase the duty cycle on the load. Pretty neat.